lesson number 3, number representation, what is the first thing you should know? This is the number system used in computers. Right? What is the number system we use to operate our computers, Loma? Binary. So, why didn't you think why they use binary? The person who invented the computer, why did they use binary, just 1 and 0? In our normal number system, which is decimal, right? Got all the symbols from 0 to 9. Why did they use all these symbols? Why did they use only just 2? Everything inside the computer works with 1s and 0s. You already know that, right? When you're saving something inside the computer, it doesn't matter you're gonna input a letter or number through keyboard. It's going to input like a binary number, right? When you inputting an image, again 1s and 0. Audio 1s and 0. Videos 1s and 0. Documents 1s and 0. Everything saves like 1s and 0s in binary. Why? That's what you need to understand in lesson number 4. Okay. To that question, you will get answers in question number lesson number 4, logic gates. Okay. Therefore, just wait until we finish that list. Right now, what we are going to do is we are going to learn about number system. Why we need to learn about number systems? Because computer uses binary, but as humans, we normally use decimal number system for our calculations. Okay. Then there's a gap. Human uses a 1 number system, computer uses a different number system. Then we have to learn all these number systems plus additional 2 number systems in your lesson. Right? What are the 4 number systems we used in your lesson? Right. These are the 3 things you need to learn: the name of the number system, and what are the symbols used, and what is the base number, base value. Right. We start with binary. What are the symbols we use? 0 and 1. You already know that. Okay. But what is the next number system we need to learn in this lesson? Octal. I will explain why we need to learn octal. Okay. If the computer uses only binary, why we need to use octal? අපි ඇයි මේ octal number system එකක් ගැන ඉගෙන ගන්න? computer එක binary විතරක් use කරනවා. හරි ඒක මම පස්සේ කියන්න. Then everybody knows the number system which is decimal. අපි හැමදේම ඉස්සෙල්ම පාවිච්චි කරන decimal number system එක ළමයි. මේක හැමෝම දන්නවා. Additionally, we need to learn hexadecimal. These are the number systems we must learn in this lesson. Right. The first thing you need to learn about these 4 number systems is the symbols we use. In octal number system, we use 8 symbols starting from 0, ends with 7. Right. Symbols attack use කරන්න නම් 0 වලින් පටන් අරගෙන 7න් ඉවර වෙනවා. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the total number of symbols? What is the total number of symbols is 8. That is what base value means. Okay. Total number of symbols වලට තමයි base value එක කියලා කියන්නේ. මොනවා හරි number system එකක පාවිච්චි කරන symbols ටික ඔක්කොම එකතු කරාම ඒක base value එක. Then what is the base value of binary? 2. Then what is the base number of decimal? The number system we use අපි maths වල use කරන decimal number system එකේ symbols කීයක් තියෙනවද? 10 symbols තියෙනවා. හැබැයි 10 symbol එකක්ද? 10 කියන්නේ symbol එකක්ද? 10 කියන්නේ symbol එකක්ද? 10 කියන්නේ symbol එකක්ද? නැහැ. ඒකේ symbols දෙකක් තියෙනවා 1 and 0. Okay. Decimal number system starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. So maths වල පාවිච්චි කරන හැම number එකක්ම හැදෙන්නේ මේ symbols පාවිච්චි කරලා. එතනින් එහාට එක symbol එකක් හරි පාවිච්චි කරනවද? නෑ. Altogether 10 symbols because we are starting with 0. Hexadecimal, there should be 16 symbols. Again, you need to start with 0, end with, you should end with 15. Yes. Okay. You should end with 50. Then it will be total number of 16 symbols. And how are you going to start? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. After 9, after 9 number is 10, but that is not a symbol. Okay. After 10, the next number is 11, next number is 12, next number is 13, next number is 14, next number is 15. But as a symbol we can't use them. අපිට ළමයි number 10 කියන එක අලුත් symbol එකක් විදිහට use කරන්න බෑ. ඇයි? 10 හැදලා තියෙන 1 and 0 වලින්. ඒක already use කරලා තියෙනවා. hexadecimal number එකේ number 10 represent කරන්න වෙන symbol එකක් හොයාගන්න ඕනේ. ඒගොල්ලෝ හොයාගෙන තියෙන symbol එක තමයි alphabet එකේ පළවෙනි අකුර. use කරන්න කියලා අපිට කියලා. අපි use කරනවා. Right? ඒතර ඇයි alphabet එකේ පළවෙනි අකුර use කරන්න කියලා තියෙන්නේ? මම දන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ හදපු කෙනාගෙන් තමයි අහන්නේ. Right? If I introduce a number system with 4 numbers, මම number system එකක් හදනවා නම් numbers 4ක් symbols 4ක් පාවිච්චි කරන number system එකක්. එහෙනම් මම use කරනවා මට කැමති symbol එකක්. Number 1, number 2, number 3. මේ මට කැමති එකක් use කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඇයිලා මම මන්නේ හදන්නේ. එහෙම බෑ හොඳේ. පුළුවන්. හරි. ඒකට දැනට log එකේ තියෙනවා නම් standard number system ටික. අපි use කරන්නේ ඒවා. right. කාට හරි හදා ගන්න ඕන නම් Taman කර number system එක හදා ගන්න. කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. අපි වාඩි විතරයි use කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඇයි? ඒ වායි දුර කවුරුත් වෙන කවුරුත් දන්නේ නැහැ. use කරන්න බෑ. Right? Therefore, we always use standard number systems because everybody knows that. Why that number system everybody should know? Then only we can communicate. Okay, right. A, B, C, D, E, F. That's it. Right. Those are the 4 number systems. The only thing you should remember is base values and the number of symbols. Base value and what are the symbols. Okay. If you can remember the base value, you can find the symbols anytime. එනිසා ළමයි මේ හැම number system එකේ base number එක මතක තියාගන්න. ඔයාලා පළවෙනි පාර ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. Right. දැන් මට කියන්න a place where we use hexadecimal. We use for color codes. Right. අපි color code computer එකේ colors වලට අපි code එකක් දෙනකොට ඒ color code එක represent කරන hexadecimal number system එක use කරනවා. Especially when you learning HTML in grade 11, right? Then you will learn this one. Okay, color codes. Right. And also we use hexadecimal number system to represent kind of a long binary codes like IP addresses, right? When we learning IP addresses, there's a version called IPv6. Then we represent them in hexadecimal because it will be a long binary number, right? Therefore, every number system we use in different ways, right? Now, the next thing you should learn is this one. 53 plus 40, 30, 39. How to add? Just do the addition, right? What we normally do, අපි කොහොමද ළමයි මේක calculation එක කරන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ manually කරනකොට 3 plus 9 is 12. Then you write number 2. Okay, why you are writing number 2 here? Because these two numbers are in decimal number system. That's the reason. Okay, these two numbers are in decimal number system. Therefore, what actually happens here, the number 12 represents in this way. Okay, this 1 represents tens, 2 represents the unit 2, 12 ලියනකොට ළමයි 1 represent කරන්නේ tens නේ, දශස්ථානනේ. ඔයාලා දන්නවනේ ඒක. This is 1, 10, hundreds, thousands, 10 to the power zeros, 10 to the power 1. මේ represent කරන්න. Therefore, we write number 2, that 1 belongs to the next position, tens position. Therefore, we take number 1 into next position. Why we are taking number 1 here? Because this number system, the next place represents tens. වා 12න් දෙකක් ලියලා එහා පැත්තට ගෙනියන්නේ කීයක්ද? 10ක් හොඳේ. මෙතන තිබ්බ 10 තමයි එහා පැත්තට ගෙනියන්නේ. ඒක තමයි එකක් වෙන්නේ. තේරෙනවනේ? Then answer is 92. Got it? You know how to represent this one in counting frame. හරි. දැන් මේ question එක දිහා බලාගෙන මට මෙන්න මේකේ answers ටක් ගාලා හොයන්න. Question number 2. Both the numbers are binary. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ syllabus එකේ නෑ. මේක තේරුණොත් ඉස්සරහ questions ගොඩක් උංගලන්ට ලේසි. Remember, these two numbers are not in decimal, they are in binary, base 2. Right. When you add two binary numbers, the answer also will be base 2. Answer එකත් base 2 වෙන්න බෑ. Answer එකත් binary number එකක්ම වෙන්න ඕනේ. Right? Then any binary number contains, what are the symbols a binary number should contain? Only 1 and 0. If your answer contains a numbers which is not 1s and 0s, your answer is wrong. Okay. What a binary number system එකේ represent කරන්න පුළුවන් maximum value එක මොකක්ද? විශාලම value එක. 1. මතකයිනේ? Is the largest value. The smallest one is 0. Decimal number system, what is the largest value? 9. 9 වලින් පස්සේ back. 9 වලින් පස්සේ 10 එන්නේ. 10 represent කරන්නේ ඊළඟ place එකට යනවා. Got it? How this number system works? Maximum value එකෙන් පස්සේ එන එක යන්නේ ඊළඟ position එකට. මේකේ බෝල 9ක් මෙහෙම පිරෙනවා. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 හරි 10 දාන්න පුළුවන්ද 10 එහෙම දාන්න පුළුවන් බෑ එහෙනම් මොකද කරන්න 10 වාඩ් දැන් මෙතන 10 represent කරන්න ඕනේ තව සෙකල්ල දාන්න ඕනේ එතකොට මොකද කරන්නේ then you need to take everything මේ ඔක්කොම ටික අරගෙන යන්න වෙන කොහෙට එහා පැත්තට ගිහිල්ලා මොකද දාන්නේ එකක් දාන්න got it හරියම මෙතනින් 10ක් දාන්න බෑ ඒ වෙනුවට ඒ ඔක්කොම ටික අරන් ගිහලා එකක් දාන්න do the same thing here in binary binary number system also same binary number system represents 2 to the powers why 2 to the powers because base value is 2 got it right now what we are going to do is now we're going to do addition the make add current and what is 1 1 plus 1 is what now plus 1 is 2 can you draw 2 circles here
No.
we can't draw 2 circles why the maximum number we can represent is 1 then what is the solution we need to take these 2 circles into next ඊළඟ axis එකට යන්න වෙනවා මේක අරගෙන මේක මැගෙන්නේ නැහැ ළමයි then we need to take these 2 circles into next position then those 2 circles will be
1.
1 why 2 to the power 1 2 to the power 1 is 2 2 to the power 0 is 1 2 to the power 2 is 4 power 3 is 8 got it right then 1 plus 1 is 2 we take that 2 into next position එතකොට කීයක් ඉතුරු වෙනවද මේක මෙතනට ගියාම මෙතන ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ බිඳුව that 2 will be 1 okay හරිද දැන් මෙතන තිබ්බ සර්කල් දෙකනේ මෙතනට එනකොට එක සර්කල් එකක් වුණානේ ඒක තමයි මෙතන තිබ්බේ right 1 plus 0 plus 0
1.
ඒක හරි 1 okay now again 1 plus 1 මේ third axis එකේ අපි ඉන්නේ දැන් 1 plus 1 2 නේ 2 circles ලියන්න පුළුවන්ද බෑ මේක අරගෙන යන්න ඕනේ හැබැයි it will become 1 okay තේරුණා then what is the answer 1
0.
plus 1 0 will take into next position it will become 1 1 0 1 0 okay right දැන් මේක කරන්න වෙන විදියක් තියෙනවා අපි number system conversions පුරුදු වුණා ඒ වුණාට මේ විදිහේ lazy ළමයි පුරුදු වෙනවා right 1 plus 0 no problem we can write number 1 0 plus 1 yes we can write number 1 because maximum number we can represent is 1 1 plus 1 we can't write number 2 we have to take that number 2 into next position it will become 1 remain 0 again 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2 we number 2 we take that number 2 into next position it will become 1 1 plus nothing is 1 base 2 okay next number 1 plus 1 is 2 we take that 2 in next position 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2 again we are taking that 2 into next position 3 what happened Lama, when you got number 3 number 3 out remember this is binary 2 to the powers right then we can take the numbers like 2 times දෙකේ ගොඩවල් තමයි හැබැයි ගෙනියන්න if you got 3 circles we can't represent then you need to take 2 out of this axis and go take that 2 circles into next position. Got it, Lama? So methoding, it will remove 2 ones, remains 1. Right, with the 3 well 2 I have a 3 then 1 plus 1 again 2, take that one to next question. 1 0 1 0 0 base 2. Okay, you don't get any questions like binary addition in your exam. Okay, but this will help you to understand the concept. Right, next, conversions. Number system conversions. How many conversions altogether? How many number systems? 4 number system: binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Then you should learn conversion between any of these number systems. Okay, for example, binary to decimal, you should learn. Decimal to binary, you should learn. Binary to octal, you should learn. Octal to binary, yes. Octal to hexadecimal, yes. Hexadecimal to octal, yes. Decimal to hexadecimal, yes. Right. Also, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, decimal to octal, octal to decimal. Altogether 12. Right, 12 conversions is there. As a first one, we are going to learn binary to decimal. Okay, these are most important two conversions: binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Okay, මේ conversions දෙක තමයි ළමයි වැදගත්ම conversions දෙක. මේ 12න්. මොකද මේක බැරි වුණොත් ඔයාලට තව conversions 6ක් විතර බැරිම වෙලා යනවා. හරිද? Right. Now we'll start with number 1, binary to decimal. Right, first question. 101 base 2. Convert this number into decimal. How are we going to do it? I will show it in step by step. Okay, long method. Make a digger from a pen. You need to multiply each and every number with 2 to the powers. May have a number 2 to the powers when multiply. First, I will write the same number 1 0 1, then multiply. Starting from 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, to the power 2. Then you should remember these values. When values take 2 to the power 0 means 0. 1, okay, or 0 power is 1. This one is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is 8. Or you can multiply this number by 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. Got it? Then you need to multiply these values. What are the values? 2 to the power 0 means 1, 2, 4. Multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, base 10. Why this one is base 10? Because we are converting binary to decimal. Got it? But there's a shortcut. We don't use this method. We almost never going to use this method. Why? These questions comes in MCQ paper most of the time. If you got this question in first paper, yes, you need to show the method. Sorry, second paper, you need to show the method. The term test එකේ මේ questions ගොඩාක් එන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. හරි. ඊට second paper එකේ આવුත් ඒක කරලා පෙන්නන්න ඕනේ මේ විදිහට. oral paper එකේ first paper එකට එන්නෙම නැති තරම්. එන්නේ MCQ එකට. Then you should know the shortcut. What is the shortcut? You need to write these numbers. මම මේ මෙතන ලියපු numbers ටික පිළිවෙලට මෙතන ලියන්න ඕනේ. Starting from 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. තව numbers එක දිගටම ලියාගෙන යන්න. Then multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. අපි එහෙම කරන්නේ මෙතන. We're gonna remove the numbers where the zeros, then add the rest of the numbers. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, base 10. Right, next question. One one zero one one. Base 2. How to convert this one into base 10? Write the numbers starting from 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay. Remove the number where the zeros are. There's only one zero. Then remove number 4. Then add the rest of the numbers. Through numbers to get current. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. Easy. Right. Right. Second question. Only thing you need to write is start from 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 8. 16. Remove where the zeros are. Add the rest of the numbers. 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1 is 25. Base number is important. Okay. If you miss the base number, you will get 0 mark. Right, next. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. You don't need number 1. Add the rest of the numbers. 16 plus 4, 20, 28, 30. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. I multiply each number by 2. Okay, දෙකෙන් වැඩි කර කර යන්න තියෙන්නේ. Easy ළමයි. Then there are 4 zeros. Then we don't need these numbers. මේ numbers එකක්වත් අපිට ඕනේ නැහැ. ඔක්කොම zeros. Then add the rest of the numbers. The numbers ටික add කරන්න. 8 plus 2, 10, 14, 15. You get 15 here. 15 plus 2, 56. What's the answer? 271, base 10. Right, next. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, then 4096. Then we don't need any of these numbers till here. You need only one. 4096, 2048. Add them together. What is the answer? 1145. Yes. Base 10. Right. Easy. Do you remember the concept? This is a concept. What is a concept? Each number we need to multiply with 2 to the powers. 2 to the powers. This is the shortcut, right? We need the shortcut, right? The same question here, you can do it in this way. What make a ලියන විදිය වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන් ළමයි. සමහරට ඉස්කෝලේ වලට මේ arrows දාලා ලියන්න නැතුව මේව multiply කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. 2 to the power 0, power 1, 2 to the power 2. Got it? Same answer. In number 0 to 5, base 10. Okay. What is the technique? We multiply each binary number with 2 to the powers. Why we are multiplying with 2 to the powers? Because this number is base 2. මේ අපි binary number එකක් තමයි convert කරන්නේ මොකටද? Base 10 වලට. Got it? We are converting binary number base 2 to base 10. Then we multiply with 2 to the powers. All good? Right. Now, do you remember this one? We did the first one, which is binary to decimal. Now tell me how to convert a binary number into octal. No, we'll do it this one first. Tell me how to convert a hexadecimal number into decimal. What is the technique? Multiplying by weighting factors. Weighting factors mean 16 to the powers. The මේකෙදි මොකෙන්ද ළමයි වැඩි කරේ? binary decimal කරනකොට මොකෙන්ද වැඩි කරේ? 2 to the powers. Binary number system එකේ weighting factors වල. එන hexadecimal decimal කරනකොට මොකද කරන්නේ? අපි මේ hexadecimal number system එකේ weighting factors ගන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ 16 to the powers වල වැඩි කරන්න. octal එකක් decimal කරද්දි මොකද කරන්නේ? 8 to the powers වල. octal number system එකේ base එක 8. Then 8 to the powers වලින් multiply කරන්න. Got it? तर මේ තුනම එක වගේ නේද යන්නේ ළමයි. Then what is the technique? Right, first write down the next topic. Octal to decimal. First question. 1, 6, base 8. You need to convert into base 10. Base 8 means octal, base 10 means decimal. Start. Same technique. Take the number, multiply it with 8 to the powers. Weighting factors වලින් වැඩි කරන්න. Weighting factors පටන් ගන්නේ 0th power. 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1. What's the answer? 8 to the power 0 means 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Plus 8 to the power 1 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Base number is 10. Got it? Next topic. Hexadecimal to decimal. First question. 1, 6, base 16 to base 10. Right, how to do this one? 16. Again, write the number, but base is 16. We are converting into base 10. Right, we have to look at both the sides, okay? If we are converting any number system to base 10, this is what you need to remember. If we are converting a number system to to base 10 mean decimal, you have to follow the same technique, multiplying from weighting factors. That's the only thing you need to remember, multiplying by weighting factors. If you are converting a number system to decimal, then 16 to the powers hexadecimal number system එකේ weighting factors පටන් ගන්න 16 powers වලින් 16 to the power 1. 16 to the power 0 means 1. 1 times 6 6 plus 16 to the power 1 means 16. 16 times 1 is 16. Answer is 22. Base 10. We'll write the base 10. Got it? 3 conversions done. What are the conversions we did? Write down this one. Binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. What is the common factor? We are converting all the number systems into decimal. Then what is the thing you need to remember? Multiply with weighting factors of these number systems. Convert කරන number system එකේ weighting factors වලින් multiply කරන්න. Okay. Weighting factors මොකේද? මෙන්න මේ පැත්තේ ඒවයි. Right, this is a short note for these 3 number system conversions. Right, next topic. Right, these 3 conversions done. Next conversions we are going to do is decimal to binary. Right, 4th conversion, decimal to binary. Write down the topic. First question. Number 8, base 10 to base 2. What is the technique? Take the number 8, divide that number by the base number of the converting number system. අපි convert කරන number system එකේ base number එකකින්. ඒ කියන්නේ 2 වලින් divide කරන්න. 2 times 4 is 8, no remains. 2 times 2 is 4, no remains. 2 times 1 is 2, no remains. When you write in the answer, start from bottom to top. 1 0 0 0 base 2. Right, 15 divided by 2 is 7, but 1 remains. 3, 1 remains. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 remains. Answer is 1 1 1 1 base 2. 24 2 12 0 6 0 3 0 1 and 1. Right, most of the time most of the students will forget to write this number here, especially when it gets 0. Okay, answer is 1 1 0 0 0 base 2. Right, there's an easy way without dividing this one. What you can do is, if you can remember the number grid. What is the number grid? Starting from 1 2 4 8 16. Likewise, you can keep writing. But if you want to create number 15, how are you going to create number 15 number? It should be addition of 8 plus 4 plus 2 and plus 1. You have to add all these 4 numbers. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus is 15. This is how you're going to create it using this number grid. Or you have to divide it. 24, how are you going to get number 24? 16 plus 8 is 24. Then what's the answer? Just put 1, 1. We don't need other numbers. Just put 0. 1, 0, 0, 0 is 24. Okay. But we did all the questions in both the ways when you're doing this lesson, right? Especially for small numbers, just use this method. Okay, like number 9. Or number 9 can be created. 8 plus 1 means 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, number 10, 8 plus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right, that's a shortcut. Just for small numbers, you can't do it for larger numbers. You can, but it's better to do the division. Right. Then then what is the next conversion? We have to do the same technique. අපි මේ පාවිච්චි කරපු ටෙක්නික් එකම පාවිච්චි කරන තව conversions එකක් කියන්න මට. Decimal to octal. What is the technique? Division. Decimal to hexadecimal. Division. Okay. Similar pattern. We divide it by 2. Why? Because we are converting a decimal number into binary. Right? We are converting this one into base 2. That is why we divided by 2. Right, next topic. Decimal to octal. First question. 1, 6, base 10. කොහොමද ළමයි කරන්නේ? Yes, we need to divide it by 8. Why dividing it by 8? Because we are converting it to octal. Earlier we divided by 2 because we are converted into binary. But 8 times 2 is 16. Remains 0. Is number 2 divisible by 8 again? No. Then you can stop it from here, or you can divide by 8. It will be 0. Remains 2. Right. What මෙතනින් stop කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Then your answer will be 0 to 0. Or you can stop it from here. Again same answer. 2, 0. Basic. Got it? Right. Easy. Divide 18 by 2 for this conversion. Decimal to binary, decimal to octal. You need to divide the decimal number, which is 18, by 8. For this number, decimal to hexadecimal, divide the decimal number 16. Okay. This one will be 9. No, remaining 4. 1 remains. 2, 0 remains. 1 and 0. Okay, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0 base 2. Right. Then next question, 18 divided by 8. 8 times 2, 16. 2 remains. You can stop it from here, or you can divide by again. 8 times 0 is 2. 2 remains. 2 and 2. Base 8. We normally don't call 22. අපි මේකට 22 කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. අපි කියන්නේ 2 to base 8 කියලා. ඔයාලට කියන ඒවා පුරුදු වෙන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. පේපර් එකේ ලියන්නනේ තියෙන්නේ. ඒක ලියලා එන්න තියෙන්නේ. හරි. Right. Next. 16 times 1 is 18. 2 remains. Answer is 1. 2 base 16. Easy. Got it? Same technique. Another 3 conversions are done. Right. So far, what are the conversions we have done? Binary to decimal is done. Octal to decimal is done. Hexadecimal to decimal is done. Next, decimal to binary is done. Decimal to octal is done. Decimal to hexadecimal is done. What is the thing you need to remember? If you are converting any number system to decimal number system, it uses same technique. If you are converting a decimal number to any other number system, it uses the same technique. Okay, what is the technique we used in here? Multiplication. What is the technique we use in here? Division. Okay, multiplied by weighting factors or the power of something. I will write weighting factors. Divide it by what? Base value. මේ වචන මතක තියාගන්න අවශ්‍යත් නැහැ ළමයි. divide කරනවා මේ number system එකේ base number එකෙන් කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. That's it. Right. Next conversion. So far we have done these conversions. 6 is done. What is the rest, ළමයි? තව නැති 2. Sorry, binary octal we haven't done, right? Decimal octal to decimal is done. Hexadecimal to decimal is done. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to do the conversion between binary to octal. Okay. Then we are doing binary to hexadecimal. Got it? And again we are doing octal to binary and hexadecimal to binary. 4 conversions. All 4 conversions uses the same kind of technique. Okay, මේ හතරම conversions හතරම use කරන එකම වගේ techniques ටික. Right, first thing we are going to look at binary to octal. Binary to octal. Right, first question. 1 0 1 1 0 0 base 2. You need to convert into base 8. How are you going to do it? බලාගන්න. Just write the numbers. Then group it by 3 digits from right hand side. දකුණු පැත්තේ ඉඳලා numbers තුනෙන් තුනට group කරනවා කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. That's the only thing you need to remember. The actually only thing you need to remember is the word grouping. Grouping කියන technique වචන විතරයි මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ. හැබැයි ඒක මතක තිබිලා බෑ. questions ගොඩක් කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒක කරන විදිය පුතේ. How are you going to do it? From right hand side, right, separate 3 digits, 3 binary digits. Then you will end up with 3 on right hand side, 3 on left. Then take the first set of binary numbers. Considering this number is binary, convert it into decimal. Make a binary number විතරක් කියලා හිතලා decimal වලට convert කරන්න. How are you going to convert? 1 2 4. We don't need those numbers. We need only number 4. Answer is 4. Then take the second number. 1 0 1 1 2 4. We don't need number 2. 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. Answer is 54 base 8. Easy. Question number 2. 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 base 2. How are we going to do it? Just group it by 3 digits. 3 1 2 3. You will end up with 2 digits on left hand side. One පැත්ත digit 2යි ඉතුරු වෙනවා. ඔයාලට කැමති නම් 0 එකක් දාගන්න. Okay. By considering these numbers separately, convert it into decimal. 1 1 1 means 1 2 4 7. 0 0 1 means දැන් මේ කරන්න අවශ්‍ය නැලම දැක්කම ටක් ගාලා මතක number එක. Right. 1 0 0 means it's 4 here. 4. 0 1 1 means 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 4 7 base 8. Okay. Binary to octal. What is the thing you need to remember? Grouping. Okay. Right. Then binary to hexadecimal. Next topic. Right. The number is 1 0 0 1 1 1 equal. Base 2. Converting into hexadecimal. Base 16. What is the technique? Same technique, grouping. How are you going to group? By using 4 digits. That thing you need to remember. Right? You need to group it from 4 digits if you are converting a binary number into hexadecimal. Binary number එකක් hexadecimal කරනවා නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් numbers 4න් 4ට group කරන්න. දකුණු පැත්තෙන්. හරි. Then you will end up with 3 digits for the second set. Add additional 0. Then convert it 1 2 4 8. We don't need number 1. Just add rest of the numbers. It will be 14. Okay. 1 2 4 8. We need only number 4. 4 and 14 is there. Every time you are dealing with hexadecimal number system, do you remember I asked you to write ABCD? Hexadecimal number system එකක වැඩ කරන ඕන ළමයි හැමදෙස්සම මේක paper එකේ උඩින් ලියාගන්න. ලියලා අදාළ numbers ටික අනිත් ලියාගන්න. A means number 10 because after 9 it's 8. 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay. Every time just write it and refer it. Don't think about it from your mind. හිතන්න එපා. මේක paper එකේ ලියලම තියාගන්නකො එහෙනම්. Right, 14 means what ළමයි? E. 4 E. Base 16. Okay. Right, do the second question. 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. As we are converting into hexadecimal, count it from right hand side. 1 2 3 4. Then ළමයි මේ questions ඉක්මනට කරලා පුරුදු වෙන්න. Right. නිකන් නැලවි වෙලාව නාස්ති කර step එකකින් step එක ලියලිය එහෙම කරන්න හදන්න එපා පිළිවෙලකට. ඉක්මනට කරන්නයි ඕනේ. මොකද මේ exam එකේදී MCQ question එකක් આવොත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ ඔයාලා ලියලිය කරන්න වෙලා නැහැ. right පුළුවන් තරම් ඉක්මනට උත්තරේ හොයාගන්න ඕනේ MCQ question එකේ. second paper එකේ question එක ආවොත් carefully පොඩ්ඩක් වෙලාව අරගෙන step ටික ලියලා පිළිවෙලකට හදන්න. right 4 digits. දැන් මේක බලපු ගමන් මතක් වෙන්න ඕනේ 1 0 1 1 right 1 2 4 8 මේ numbers ටික කටපාඩමේ තියෙනවා 2 1 we don't need number 4 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11 just write it number 11 right still we are finding the answer right then මේ number 11 ලියන්න නැතුව ඒක බලන්න එපා 11 ලියලා කොහොම ඉවරලා final answer එක ලියනකොට convert කරගන්න abcd වලට this one also 11 this one is 1 11 means b answer is 1 b base 16 okay right now in here we already converted binary to octal okay අපි දැන් binary octal කරන්නේ මෙතන right we'll do the next topic which is octal to binary first question we do the same question 5 4 base 8 to binary base 2 how we can do it කලින් කරපු අනිත් පැත්ත පල්ලෙන් ඉඳලා මුඩට යන්න තියෙන්නේ again same technique grouping technique right I already told you binary to decimal and decimal to binary is the most important two conversions you should learn because we use them in other conversions as well then you should write these numbers separately 5 and 4 draw a line convert this number into binary now කලින් question එකේ binary number එක decimal කරානේ දැන් decimal එක binary කරා 4 හැබැයි 3 digits මතකයි rule එක you need to write the answer in 3 digits 4 means 1 0 0 5 means 1 0 1 okay second question I will give you a different one 7 3 0 1 base 8 convert it to base 2 how are we going to convert just write the numbers 7 3 0 1 draw some lines 1 you need to write it in binary but use three digits not අනිවාර්යෙන් use කරන්න ඕනේ then how to convert number 1 into binary again 1 a decimal 1 binary කරාම අපව 1 එන්නේ නේද හැබැයි extra 2 zeros දාන්න වම් පැත්තට වම් පැත්තට නෙමෙයි හොඳේ right අයිව වම් පැත්තට දාන්න because the value doesn't change you got 1 rupee 1 rupee if you add more zeros to the left is it going to change the value no still you got 1 rupee if you add 3 zeros to the right then you will end up with 1000 rupees okay so we always add zeros to the left 0 when you converting decimal 0 to binary answer will be 0 but add extra 2 zeros each number should represent with 3 digits 3 0 1 1 7 1 1 1 that is the final answer base 2 when you write all the numbers together right then you will get the same technique for here මෙතනත් තමයි ඒකමයි කරන්නේ what are you going to do hexadecimal to binary the reverse technique first question is 4 E base 16 to binary. Okay, same answer. We are going to convert back into binary. Then what is the technique? Write the numbers for E. What is E? E means 14. Then write each number using how many digits? 4 digits. When we dealing with hexadecimal, it's 4 digits. හැමදෙසම hexadecimal ගෑවුනොත් binary එක digits 4කින් ලියන්න ඕන. hexadecimal binary ගෑවෙන හැම තැනකටම 4 digits කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. then 14 කොහොමද ලියන්න ළමයි? 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, 4 කොහොමද ලියන්නේ? 100 extra 0 එකක් දාන්න. අන්ති 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 base 2. Okay, if you want, you can remove this 0 at the end. All good. Then what are the conversions? 4 conversions done. What are the 4 conversions we just did? Binary to octal, then the reverse side, octal to binary, then we did binary to hexadecimal, reverse hexadecimal to binary. All of them using what line? Grouping technique. Okay, grouping technique. මේ විදිහට ලියාගෙන පොතේ මෙහෙම ලියන්න බැන්න පොත අනිත් පැත්තට ලියාගෙන examples ලියාගෙන හැම එක. For example 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, මේ questions ටික ලියාගන්න. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තේරෙයි එකම ටෙක්නික් එක මේ හැම එකටම apply කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. Right, do this one as a homework. What is the technique for these 4 number systems, Lamai? This is the only short note you need to write. Binary to octal, octal to binary, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. Remember the word grouping. Okay. Now, right, we got another 2 conversions. අපිට තව conversions දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? මොනවද ඒ conversion? We got only 2 conversions left. මොනවද? Octal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to octal. That's it. But you already know how to do it. ඔගොල්ලෝ ඒක කරන විදිහ දැන් දන්නවා. කොහොමද? octal to hexadecimal නේ කරන්න ඕනේ. Right. නැත්තම් hexadecimal to octal. What is the technique, ළමයි? If we are doing both the conversions, you have to use binary as an intermediate. Binary number system එක intermediate එකක් විදිහට use කරන්න. That means when you're converting octal into binary, then you need to convert when you're converting octal to hexadecimal, first octal to binary, then binary to hexadecimal. තේරුණාද? Example level octal to hexadecimal 116 base 8 to base 16. අපිට දැන් base 16 වලට ඕනේ. base 8 එක. First you need to convert into binary, then hexadecimal. And how to convert base 16 into binary? So base 8. Write 16, group it into 3 digits. Right, 6 can give the lemma 110. 1 means 001. This is a binary number. Then take this binary number, convert into hexadecimal. 001 110, same number. Then how to convert this number into hexadecimal? 1 2 3 4 4 digits වලට බෙදන්න. මේ පැත්තේ 0 ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. කැමති නම් 0 එකක් දාගන්න. Then convert into decimal. 8 4 2 1. Answer is 14. This one answer is 0. If you want, you can just skip that part. මේ අන්තිම 0 එක අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. 14 කියන්නේ කීයද ළමයි? E. Answer is 0E base 16 or just E. Got it? මේකේ අලුතෙන් conversion කිසිම දෙයක් නැත. octal to binary කරන්න වදන් දන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා කලින් කරන්නේ. binary to hexadecimal කරන්නත් දාන්න. එතන මේකේ අලුත් conversion එකක් මුකුත් ඉගෙන ගන්න නැත. Therefore you already know how to do it. Right, next question, the other conversion, hexadecimal to octal. First question, ABC base 16 to octal. How to convert this number? ABC means number 10, 11 and 12. ABC represent current main numbers. Okay, then how to convert it into binary? Just write those letters. It represents 10, 11 and 12. Just convert them into binary. 12 means 8 plus 4 1 1 0 0. 11 again 8 plus 2 plus 1 8 plus 4 1 1 0 1 1. 10 හැදෙන්නේ කොහොමද? 8 2 2 එකතු වෙලා. Got it? This is the binary number base 2. Then how to convert binary to octal? Binary number එක ආපහු ලියන්න. Then again group it from right hand side. Right, we are converting into octal. Octal වලට convert කරනවා නම් group කරන්න ඕනේ 3 3ට. Numbers 3 3ට group කරන්න. Grouping technique. Okay, then convert back to decimal. Each and every section you need to convert into decimal. Finally you will get octal number. 100 means 4 2 1 just 4. This one is 7, this one is 2, this one is 5. Right, answer is 5274 octal. Okay, the octal वलට convert කරන්න. Easy. Right, conversions done. Right, all conversions finished lamai. Altogether, how many? 12. Right, from 12 conversions, 6 conversions is here. මෙතන ඔක්කොම conversions 6ක් තියෙනවා ළමයි. ඒතර මේ 4 grouping technique කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. මේ 4ෙන් මේ conversion දෙක කරන්න පුළුවන්. octal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to octal. මේකේ මේ පැත්ත කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. මේ පැත්ත කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. හැබැයි අපිට use කරන්න නම් binary අතරමැදි අවස්ථාවක් විදිහට binary number system එක use කරන්න වෙනවා. හරි? ඔච්චරයි ළමයි.
Kasun Sameera, shaping your future with the best ICT experience.